Good day and welcome to another class on factorization. Currently, you see this topic do give students a lot of stress. A lot of stress. This is factorization of a quadratic expression. When we say quadratic expression, it is any expression that have one variable of the highest power 2. When you see this something like x square, yes, you are talking about quadratic expression. This is an expression, not equation. It is only when you have this thing equals to something, you call it equation. But all these one now, they are quadratic expression. Now, they now ask you to factorize. Just as we've done in some of our classes, HCF, highest common factor, Abi, then lowest common multiples. The same way is what you do. This is just an advanced version of it. So when you are in JSS class, you'll be doing factors, and multiples, HCF, LCM, factors, and the likes. So now, factorization, let's do the first one, which says that x squared plus 21 is 38. What they expect you to do is that you must know the product of the root and the sum of the root. Now, starting with the first one, we have x squared plus 21x plus 38. Now, in this place, this product of the root is our first term and last term. Coefficient of our first term is what? Is 1. 1 only coefficient is x. So now say product of the root now. Product is equals to 38 because 1 times 38 is 38. All right. Now the sum of the root, our sum is equals to what? 20 is 21. You look for two number such that that two number, when you add or subtract them, it will give you the middle cause, the middle term or the second term. Hello, listen again. You look for two numbers that if you add or subtract those two numbers together, it will give you 21. And that same number, if you multiply them, it will give you 38. Our sum is 21, right? We know our sum of the root is 21. Now, how do you now know what number, these two numbers? If it is a simple thing that you can easily guess, you can guess, get number. But at times, most students do have issues. They don't know how to do this thing. Now, I'm bringing this easy peasy method to get it. This is what you do. You look at this 38 itself, that this product, you say this is 38, 38, right? You make something like this, long division method, all right? Now, you can start with 2 because 2 can cut at 8. We are not going dealing with 1. We're starting with 2. Now, 2 goes in 38. That is 19. Yes, is there anything that can cut 19? No. What is 19? 19 is a prime number. So definitely we are stopping with 19. Now, it means this 21 is same thing as 19 plus 2. 19 plus 2 is not 21. Yes. Then 19 times 2 is not 38, it's 38. So by so doing, we've gotten our sum of the roots to be 19 plus 2. Good. Now we now move on to now express this sum, make it into 4 pieces. Make it into 4 pieces. Now you now say x squared plus 19x plus 2x plus 38. Are you with me? Can you see? So this is now, so having done this, the next thing is to now take them to 2. This one like this. It's not that you put the bracket there. I'm just saying that you take them, you put them into 2. This one is a group 1, this one group 1, and this one group 2. All right. After you have grouped them, you now look at the factors. What is common with x squared and 19x? Mainly looking at it, you know that it is x. So that x will come outside. Then x goes in x squared. X times x should give you x squared. Then in 19x, that is 19 because x times 19 is 19. That is like this. Then this one is plus 2x, Abi, and this one is 38. Now, what is common between 2x and 38? That should be 2. So that is plus 2. You can see plus 2 into bracket. Just know that anything that is here must be the one I will repeat. X plus 19 because 2 goes in 38. It is 19 times. So now we're having this one to be 2. You take one out of this. Then this outside one, you group them together. X plus 2, x plus 19. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Let's do the second one. For the second one now, if you want to do the second one, the same thing, you look at the product of the root. This one is 1, abi? 1 times 22, 22. Our product, a square plus 9a plus 22. So the product is equals to 1 times 22, which is equals to 22. Now let's assume we don't know the sum, because I know most of you are not so smart to know that two number. You're not that smart. Since you are not smart, I assume that you are not smart. I know you are a smart student, but I assume that you are not smart. In that case, just come with this 22 again to get your sum. Do like this first. This is your 22. Now, what can call 22? 2. 2 goes into 22, 11. Now, anytime you have reached this place that you have reached a prime number, just stop there. So this is 2 and 11 now. Check. 11 minus 2 should give you 9 now. Good. If it is 11 plus 2, it should be 13. No, it doesn't work because it is 9 that we are looking for. So our sum now will now be is equals to 11 minus 2, which is equals to 9. All right. So with this now, we are looking for these two numbers to impute into this. So we now replace a square plus, instead of 9, we now say 11x minus 2x is equals to 22. All right. Now this is 4. Don't forget, the next thing to do here is to group them into 2. So once we group them, we now look this one and this one first. 11a, sorry, not x, 11a minus 2a, because we're dealing with a. So what is common between a square and 11a? That is a into bracket a plus 11, right? Because a times a square, a times 11, 11a, right? Now, the next one is minus 2a and 22. What is common between them? We have minus 2 will come on with them. Have minus 2 to be common in them. Now here we have, so this one should be, maybe I'm in the question. This one's supposed to be minus 22, not plus 22. This one's supposed to be minus 22 based on this. Eh? So it should be minus 2 into bracket a plus 11, because minus 2 times a is minus 2a, minus 2 times 11 minus 22. So the question has a key leg. So now balance the key leg that it has. So with that, you take the outside one first, a minus 20, a minus 2, right? And a plus 11. This is where we are ending it. So I hope you enjoy this video. If there is anything that is not clear to you, let me know. And if you have other questions that relate to this that you want us to solve, please don't forget to put it in the comment section. Till next time, bye for now.